And here we have 7 to the power of x minus 1. That's equal to 9. And again, we're going to use logs to solve this exponential equation. And why is that? We can't really make 7 and 9 have bases with an exponent. If we had maybe 3 and 9, yeah, we could, right? If I had something like this, and we could avoid using logs, basically. But in this case, there's no way I can make this 7 look more like a 9. So what I'll do here, and then later I'll continue with this example anyways, I'll just log both sides of the equation. All right. And why did I do that? Well, because then I can actually bring the exponent down. We can take the x minus 1, take it down, and multiply it by the log 7. So I'm going to have x minus 1 times the log of 7. And that's just equal to log of 9. All right. Great. Now what can I do? I can actually just divide both sides by log 7. Because I want to isolate x eventually, don't I? Yes, I do. So log 7's go away. That's great, because now I have just the x minus 1 equals log 9 over log 7. We can also just rewrite this, actually, as log 9 base 7. Right? Because of the little rule of logs. If we have log A over log B, that's just equivalent to log base B of A. Great. So now log 9 base 7. But you don't need to do this. Most teachers would just accept that, and that'd be great. Now, I still want to isolate x, so I'm just going to add 1 to both sides of the equation, and then we're done. So x equals log base 7 of 9 plus 1. Great. Now just back to this little example that I mentioned earlier. So if we had 3 to the power of x minus 1 equals 9, we wouldn't actually need to use logs to solve this. And why is that? Because I could just rewrite the 9 as 3 to the power of 2. So basically now I could just right away make x minus 1 equal to 2. So x minus 1 equals 2. Add a 1 to both sides. Right? Those will go away. So x equals 2 plus 1, 3. There we go. That's it. Now, in this case, what we had to do here, there was no way to rewrite 7. 7 to the power of something would give us 9. There's nothing easy like or vice versa, right? I can make the 9 7 to the power of something. That's just going to be a complicated number. So that's why we used logs instead. So hopefully that made sense, and hopefully you can check out some more videos on our website right there. Good luck.